Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, what's up? My name is Lisa. Make sure you subscribe to join our little family. So today I have a get ready with me. I'm not talking in it because honestly today I'm just feeling really shitty. But I did want to put up some type of video for you guys. I was actually going to do like a chit chat, get ready with me, do like makeup, hair, and outfit. But I'm just in a really bad mood. My hormones are crazy, so I didn't really feel like doing that today. But I did do this like white eyeliner. I don't know, I thought it was kind of cool. It's a little different from like just a basic black eyeliner, so I thought it would be cool to show you how I did it. I also want to talk about this hair really quickly, and then we're just gonna get started. So the hair that I'm wearing is from Premier Lace Wigs, and they obviously sent me this unit. I feel like this is probably, out of all the short wigs I have, this is like my favorite. And I also did make it myself, which makes me love it even more because I feel like the quality is just a lot better than when I make wigs. So I have all the information of this wig right here. It's Indian Remy hair, which I think is really cool. It's not like a silky smooth type of hair texture. It's a bit more textured, which I think is really cool because obviously like my natural hair when I straighten it isn't like a silky straight type of straight hair. Like it has a little bit of texture to it. So I feel like it just feels very natural, like my natural hair if I were to straighten it. So if you have relaxed hair or you have natural hair but you want like a relaxed type of textured wig, this one is so good. The length is 14 inches. I'm just reading it off the paper so that I can give you guys all the information. It has a pre-plucked hairline. I don't feel like I laid the hair that amazing, but it's okay, it looks fine. It's actually also 360 lace wig, so I could put this in a ponytail if I like lay down the lace at the back. But personally, I don't think I'll be doing that. I feel like this is definitely like a wig I would wear every day, which I say with like all my wigs. But I really like the length. I really like it. I definitely want to bleach the knots, although it looks very natural without bleaching the knots, I have to say. I either want to dye this jet black or I want to like lighten it up for summer. I'm not sure. This wig is only $150. Now you might think like, what, that's so much? But for a pre-made wig, that's actually really good. I feel like $150 is kind of what you would usually pay for like bundles, maybe a frontal, not even sometimes. My camera just died. Yeah, I definitely just recommend this to anyone that wants to start out wearing wigs but doesn't necessarily want to spend like a whole lot of money, or if you're not good at making your own wigs or you don't even want to try and you just want to buy one. I would totally recommend this wig because I love it a lot. And now I'm gonna stop talking about it and now we're gonna get into the video. I hope you guys enjoy it and let's get started. that is pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you give it a thumbs up if you did, and of course subscribe. Also turn on my post notifications so that you'll be notified every time I upload a video. If you want to keep up with me besides my videos, I will leave all my social media links down below. Come tweet me, DM me, talk to me, because I love talking to you. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video.